Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the magical world of Christmas decorations. As the festive season approaches, it's the perfect time to transform your home into a winter wonderland filled with warmth, joy, and a sprinkle of holiday magic. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or a newbie looking for inspiration, I've got you covered with ideas, tips, and the advantages of decking your halls for Christmas. So, grab a cup of hot cocoa, get cozy, and let's get started. When it comes to Christmas decorations, the possibilities are endless. The key is to create a cohesive look that reflects your personal style while embracing the festive spirit. Start with the heart of your home, the living room. This is where most of the holiday magic happens, so make it the focal point. Begin with a stunning Christmas tree. Whether you prefer a real tree or an artificial one, the tree is the centerpiece of your holiday decor. Opt for a theme that resonates with you: classic red and green, elegant gold and white, or a rustic woodland theme with natural elements. String lights are essential. Choose warm white lights for a cozy feel or multicolored ones for a playful touch. Add ornaments that complement your theme, and don't forget the tree topper, an angel, a star, or even a whimsical bow. Next, let's talk about the mantle. If you have a fireplace, the mantle is a prime spot for decoration. Hang a festive garland adorned with pine cones, berries, and twinkling lights. Stockings are a must. They add a nostalgic touch and are perfect for small gifts or treats. Personalize each stocking with names or initials to make it extra special. If you don't have a fireplace, no worries, you can create a similar effect on a shelf or even a windowsill. Moving on to the dining area, this is where you'll host festive feasts and create lasting memories. A beautiful table setting can set the tone for your holiday gatherings. Start with a table runner or tablecloth in a festive color. Layer it with chargers, plates, and napkins that match your theme. Add a centerpiece, candles, a floral arrangement, or a decorative bowl filled with ornaments. Don't forget the little details like place cards and napkin rings. These small touches can make your guests feel extra special. Let's not forget about the entrance to your home. First impressions matter, and your front door is the perfect canvas for holiday cheer. A Christmas wreath is a classic choice. You can buy one or get creative and make your own. Add a festive doormat, some potted poinsettias, or a string of lights around the doorframe. This not only welcomes your guests but also sets the festive tone before they even step inside. Now, let's talk about some unique and creative ideas to make your home stand out. Think beyond the traditional decorations. Try incorporating unexpected elements like a Christmas village on a side table or a collection of holiday-themed pillows and throws on your couch. Fairy lights aren't just for the tree. Drape them around mirrors, windows, or even your headboard for a magical glow. Create a cozy corner with a hot cocoa bar. Set up a tray with mugs, hot chocolate mix, marshmallows, candy canes, and all the fixings. It's a fun and festive way to warm up on chilly nights. One of the best things about decorating for Christmas is that it brings joy and warmth to your home. It creates a festive atmosphere that lifts your spirits and makes everyday moments feel special. The twinkling lights, the scent of pine, and the sight of beautifully wrapped gifts all contribute to a sense of wonder and anticipation. Decorating together can also be a wonderful bonding experience for families. It's a time to create traditions, share stories, and make memories that will last a lifetime. There are several advantages to using Christmas decorations. They enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, making it look festive and inviting. Decorations can also serve as conversation starters during holiday gatherings. They reflect your personality and style, allowing you to express your creativity. Additionally, holiday decorations can boost your mood. The act of decorating and the visual beauty of the decorations themselves can bring a sense of joy and satisfaction. When planning your decorations, consider sustainability. Opt for eco-friendly decorations like reusable ornaments, LED lights, and natural elements such as pine cones, berries, and greenery. DIY decorations are not only cost-effective but also allow you to personalize your decor. Get the kids involved in making paper snowflakes, garlands, or handmade ornaments. Don't forget about the sense of smell in your holiday decor. Scents can be incredibly evocative and add another layer of magic to your home. Consider using scented candles, essential oils, or simmering pots of cinnamon, cloves, and orange peels to fill your home with delightful aromas. Finally, remember that less can sometimes be more. It's easy to go overboard with decorations, but a cluttered space can feel overwhelming. Focus on a few key areas, and keep your decor balanced. Mixing different textures and materials can add depth and interest without making the space feel crowded. Most importantly, have fun with it. Decorating for Christmas should be a joyful and stress-free activity. So, there you have it, folks. I hope these ideas and tips inspire you to create a festive and beautiful home this Christmas season. Remember, the best decorations are the ones that bring you joy and reflect the spirit of the season. Happy decorating, and may your holidays be merry and bright. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own decorating ideas in the comments below. See you next time.